guys, it's Alyssa of Mystery Funko, and today I am here with a mystery box from JNAVO Toys. I also have two packages. One is possibly from Whatnot. Yeah, it's from Whatnot. And then one is from Target that we're going to open up before we dive into these mystery boxes. If you guys haven't already checked out JNAVO, you should. He's on Instagram and on Whatnot. He does awesome auctions on Saturdays, and he posts a lot of cool stuff on his page. And he also drops mystery boxes, so if you follow his Instagram, you'll know when he drops his next mystery box. So I'm going to start off with these two packages first, open them up and see what we got, which these are just regular packages. These are not mystery boxes, but I'm overloading on packages, so I figured, you know, why not just open it for you guys? It could be fun. I mean, who doesn't like opening mail? I do. What is it? Huh? This is the Game of Thrones t-shirt bundle with, why can I not think of their name? It's got to say it somewhere in here. I cannot think of this dragon's name right now. Oh my god, it's going to bother me. Anyways, Game of Thrones bundle, box lunch exclusive. It's still sealed, size extra large. Jesus Christ. My dad had to have ordered this for me because I didn't. But I'm super excited because if you guys have been watching for a while, I am trying to finish up my Game of Thrones collection. I love Game of Thrones, so this is going to be so exciting. I'm actually going to wait to open this on TikTok. So if you guys want to check that out, you can. Here's a little look at the pop and at the t-shirt. Pop is a glow-in-the-dark pop. Glow-in-the-dark pop. And then there's a t-shirt. I'm really excited. I love Funko t-shirts. They're so comfortable. And this just... I'm so excited. Cool. Alright, next up we have our Target package. Let's go ahead and see what we got. Ooh, I can't open this stupid box. Ooh, I'm so excited. This is the Grogu with the chowder squid. Look at him, he's so cute. This is a Target exclusive. Luckily, Target actually put bubble wrap in this for once. Not very much, but you know, at least it's something, I guess. But look how cute, Grogu. Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to move on to the whole point of this video. Is this a JNAVO mystery box? There goes the dog. With his little... Alright. Pop it open. There are two boxes in here. The always double boxes. And if you buy two mystery boxes, they're in the same box. So, two mystery boxes. One... which means there's two pops in here, and usually there's one in a protector, one without a protector. Just kind of depends on the price point. I'm very excited to see what I got. So I'm going to crack this one open, and then I'm going to go ahead and cut the other one also, just so it's open. I'm not peeking whatsoever, guys. Don't you worry. Not looking. Hey. Cool deal. Whoa! That sounded so weird. New sticker. His other stickers, I don't have one over here right now because they're all. I put them all on my table the other day. But his, you guys have seen them. I've showed them off every time. His other stickers used to be like this, and they were like squared off, and then he got like a silver backing on them, and now they're die cut stickers. Look how cute! I can't wait to add this to my table. Literally, like half of my table is just JNAVO stickers from how many mystery boxes I get from this man. It is ridiculous. But I love his mystery boxes. He does great with them, and I love to support a fellow Funko person. So, yeah. Alright, let's go ahead. Open these two pops up. We have this one. Not in a protector, so boom. Ew. This is Cornelius Daniel. He is bloody. Like, the box has also got, like, the bloody on it, stains on it. I don't watch Rick and Morty very much. I've watched a few episodes. My son loves Rick and Morty. I just don't, so... not for me, but here he is. And then next off, we have one that's in a protector. What is it? Boom. Ah! It's Kylo Ren. Lights and sounds. What does that mean? Lights and sound. What does that mean? Your favorite Star Wars character. For the first time ever, the greatest heroes and most powerful villains of the Star Wars Funko Pop collection feature dynamic lighting effects, exciting sounds, and iconic dialogue from the Star Wars saga. Bring home epic... Wait a minute. Tap the bobblehead to activate. Wait a minute. This makes noise? You're joking. You're kidding. I've seen Funkos that... I'm opening this. I've seen Funkos that, like, light up. Like the Batman and, who is it? Gordon. Like, they have, like, the bat signal in the middle, and that lights up. But I've never seen, like... I'm touching the bobblehead and nothing's happening. I have to take them all the way out? Is that what I have to do? Okay, let's figure this out, guys. That scared the shit out of me. Ready? How long do I have to beat you before you light up? Oh. I'm keeping him. Out of box, too. This man is not going in the box. That is so cool. I'm going to put him back in the box for right now. But that is so cool. I didn't know that Funko did that. Like I said, I knew about the light up ones, but I had no idea that, or, like, no, what? This is awesome. I'm keeping this. Cool. Alright, cool. Okay. Alright, let's see what we have next. Opening it up. Boom. Alright, this is the Spider-Man in the holiday sweater. You can see it right there. I do own this pop already, so I won't be keeping it. But it is a very cute pop. Look at him in his little Christmas sweater. Adorable. Alright, and who do we have next? We have another one that I already have. This is the Joker as Jack Frost. It is a Target exclusive. I do own this pop already, so I will not be keeping him either. But two really cool pops. Marvel, DC, funny. Ah. This is still my favorite. Alright, so I'm going to check some price points real quick, and I don't have to leave you guys because I have a phone right here that I can use. Ta-da! If I can figure out how to use it. We are, of course, going to be using the Whatnot app. I love using the Whatnot app to check prices because not only does it show you the PPG, it also shows you what people are selling it for. And I think that's pretty cool. Come on. Guys, scan the product, buddy. I ain't got time for you to load. Alright, what did we get? Our Cornelius Daniel is $10. Nice, nice. I want to scan Kylo last because I'm just interested in to see. Alright, so this one's in a protector. This is a Jack Frost. I don't see a PPG on here, but people are selling him anywhere between $15 to $25. Oh, I just burped. $15 to $25 seems about right. So, there he is. You guys can tell how long ago I filmed these videos from the TikTok songs that I'm singing. Our Spider-Man is worth a total of $9. Again, not surprised by that price because it is just a Spider-Man pop. It's not anything like special. Okay, and then Kylo is worth $30. I was expecting just a slight bit more just for the fact that it makes noises and it lights up, but also, $30 seems about right. I feel that. But this is really cool, and it looks like they have a Darth Vader one too. So that's pretty awesome. I love this. So, yeah. That's all I got for you guys. So thank you so much for being here. If you guys want to check the links down below, I have my merch store, which I just revamped not too long ago, so it's really cool. And then I also have my Instagram, my TikTok, my link to Poppin' Off Toys, where you guys can get 10% discount if you use the code AMYSSA10. Don't forget to do that. And also, yeah, I think that's all the links that are down there, but if there's more, check them out, guys. And thanks so much for being here. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and bye!